because you beat up the man baby mother come to look for his baby and you bite her up. Fight her, you come tell me them have to take me off her because I bite her up. They throw you out of that place and I took you in. I put you in my mother room. There was no room that was not furnished. Only one of the kitchen upstairs were being built and I put it on pause. I put it on pause to put your furnitures in there. Lal, your baby father is a good man. He's a good man. When the baby was in his pampas, full of mess, you stand at the door and the baby crying. And you look around and say, better pick up that what's it cloth. That man make nipple buckle constant. Is him do it, not you. It's since you make money, you start acting like your good baby mother. That man used to walk with you with a t-shirt that say your name and team. And he promotes with you. He took care of his son. Yeah? You hear me tell you? You do me some evil. And you reverse the lies for them to be in your favor. You say, my bad mind you over song with Missy. I was Missy friend. I was the one who went to Missy and did a song. I leave my track with her and my voice. And you carry news to my Chinese friend. Separate me from her completely and flew up. Just like she and I flew up to Missy. And you come back, you did a song and blocked me from the song. Yeah? She was the one that opened my Twitter. Block my Twitter, hack it, mash it up, and start putting stuff on it. My Facebook, I was to get back my Facebook through James Goring. There's so much to say. And then they would know the true you, but I don't want people to hate you. You hear me? I'm a true woman of God. Don't do that. I love you as a sister. You were standing at my doorway one day and we're looking out in the yard. And out of the side of my eye, the corner of my eye, I see you looking at me some way. Missy, I said, get in the private box. And I said, I didn't hear a line from the song. So-and-so Chinese girl said, you're charging $25,000 for it. And then she said $15,000. I never hear a line. Didn't even know you. You did it and finished it. She got mad. She said, I know something was off. I know something was off. Because she came and she bring the other girl. And she said to do a song with her. I said, no, my loyalty lies with Marion. They're in the same game. So why would I do that? She was mad. I said, leave it alone. Yeah, see somebody at Missy right there. I did nothing. Everything. Everybody I work with this woman, go and find them and tell them things. Every time I go to concerts, she opened before me. And she take everything that I'm going to do. And she did them before I come on. So people start saying we're twins. I went to a show where she didn't know that I was a surprise guest until that time. And when they flew me in, the people said she finished all your songs already. She did all your songs on the stage already. In the island. When I went up there, it's like I was already there. And then she had the nerve at the backstage to be looking at me with some dirty eyes. After she just finished all my songs. If I take off my shoes, she take off hers. If I call a man and I rub his face and sing, she gonna do it before I come up and do it. Yeah? You don't even understand what's going on with the Spragga. I did a song with Spragga. And that's what caused some things, because some people who was sleeping with him. I've never slept with an artist from my music business for so many years. Never. So why would I sleep with Spragga when Spragga is with Foxy and Spraggers with Tanya woman talking. Tanya used to call me, crying. Said she running away to Sweden. Because what happened with so-and-so? You know why she ate me? Because she troubled me and I clap back. When I clap back hard. So she messed with me and I told her that she sleep with a man and the man's son. I put it in a song. And that's why she ate me. Because when they trouble me, I go hard when I go in. You hear me tell you? You know how I'm just, God forgive me. You know why me and Maka ain't friends? I was going to England. I was sitting next to my sister. Blue Year Smurf. Asked my sister to swap the seat with her and chat Maka Diamond all the way to England. I was sitting next to my sister. Blue Year Smurf. Asked my sister to swap the seat with her and chat Maka Diamond all the way to England. They throw us out of the hotel because of her behavior. You know why me and Blue Hair Smurf is no friends? She gonna lie to you and say, I said her children black and ugly. I saved that baby. The girl. When she didn't want the child. I say, you see how hard I'm struggling to have a child and you wanna get rid of that child? Don't talk, don't play with me, girl. I'm a Christian woman, but stop dragging my name. You want content this week? Who saved that little girl? That nice, sweet little girl you have. You want to mess with me because I'm a Christian and you think I don't talk? Check out Saul, who became Paul, and see if you don't talk. I saved that child and that is why she's living. You say, I'm your child godmother. I'm not your child godmother. Because when I saw your behavior in real life, how you were, just brawling and dirty, and it was not on a stage, it was not a performance. I said, I can't be a part of this girl family, can't be a part of her, I'm not going to be the godmother. I lied to you, and I told you I had something to do in America. And I took a flight and went away. You took your friend in front of the pastor and in front of God, and you have your friend signed to my name. You said when the man said, marry and all, the girl didn't even, and you elbow her and go, answer. Sign. You're wicked. You're the wickedest girl. I told you years ago. I said, you see, when you die, you're going to go sit next to the devil with a 4-teeth fart because you are the wife of the devil. You see me here not saying nothing? You all blaming me?
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing, manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.